Okay, so we're going to try another example evaluating double integrals, and this time we're going to consider, we know that Fubini's theorem tells us that order of integration doesn't matter, but we're going to consider when it might be better to choose one order over another. So let's suppose that we have the double integral over a region. The surface is y times e to the xy, and our region x goes from 0 to 1 and y from 0 to the natural log of 2. So we're still dealing here with rectangular regions. And let's start by supposing that we try to set it up so that our area differential is dy dx, which means that we would first hold x constant and evaluate the first integral with respect to y, and we would then, after that, integrate with respect to x. If we do that, and we think of this as integrating with respect to y, notice that we would have y times e to some constant times y. And for something like this, we can definitely do it. This would entail integration by parts, which is very doable. But it may be that if we change the order, it's a little bit easier, because if you think of the expression that we have, our surface, if we were to integrate with respect to x first, y is a constant, and we would only need to integrate e to the xy. And so that's going to be a little bit easier if we think about switching and integrating with respect to x first. We could still do integration by parts, but why don't we go ahead and switch the order and see what that gives us? So let's try instead, so that we don't have to do integration by parts, we may have to at some point, let's switch our order of integration so that we integrate with respect to x first and have y on the outside integral. So we will set this up so that we have the integral on the inside from 0 to 1, y e to the xy, which means we are holding y fixed, integrating with respect to x first. So, okay, that won't be too bad if we hold y fixed as a constant. The integral of y e to the xy will be y e to the xy, but then when we integrate, we have to undo the chain rule, which means we're going to need to divide by the constant in the exponent, which is y. And we're going to need to do this from 0 to 1. So we have integrated with respect to x. Let me just repeat that one more time. We're thinking of y as a constant. So anytime you have an integral, for example, of e to the 3y dy, well, the antiderivative would be e to the 3y divided by 3. So I should have used x for that, but y is a constant here. So we have e to the, let's say, 3x. So we have to divide by that y to undo the chain rule. Just wanted to repeat that explanation if it's just because it's a little confusing when we have two variables instead of just one. So we still haven't differentiated with respect to y, but let's simplify what we have. We can see that our y's cancel out, and we're left with the integral from 0 to the natural log of 2. And I'm going to go ahead and use the fundamental theorem of calculus. And remember, these limits of integration are x values. So when x is 1, this will be e to the y minus e to the 0, which is 1. And now we have an integral in terms of y only. And so let's go ahead and integrate that. So that's going to give us antiderivative e to the y is itself, because we don't have a composition, minus y. And we're going to integrate this from 0 to the natural log of 2. When we put in the natural log of 2, we'll get e to the natural log of 2 minus natural log of 2. And then substituting in 0 in place of y, we'll have minus e to the 0 plus 0. So this is e to the natural log of 2 is just 2, because we're dealing with inverse functions. So 2 minus the natural log of 2 minus 1 So our final answer is 1 minus the natural log of 2, combining those like terms. So in this case, it was helpful to analyze a little bit what would happen if we integrate first with respect to y and then with respect to x, and found that integrating with respect to x would be a little bit easier. We could do both. Sometimes we cannot do both. So it's a worthwhile analysis to think about which variable might be better to do first.